All right, boys and girls, we are on day 3 of week 26 for daily math. All right, let's look at our first problem. It says each person at a party will eat 2/3 of an 8-pound of a turkey. And 2/3 of a pound of turkey, and 8 people will be at the party. How many pounds of turkey will be needed? Okay, so basically I need to do 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. Okay, so I'm going to go to my notebook for this. All right, so I'm just going to keep drawing fraction bars, and I'm going to shade in 2/3 8 times. All right, so here's 2/3, and I'm just going to use a red crayon. All right, actually, I'm going to use a different color for each person. All right, that's one person. All right, I don't have enough, so I'm going to have to draw another fraction bar. Remember, all our fraction bars need to be the same size and shape, and I'm dividing all of them in 2/3. All right, let's use purple for this one. This is another person. I have to do this 8 times. I have to color in 2/3 8 times. So I'm just counting. One person, two persons, and then I'm going to do another person. He'll be green. All right, so I've now done 3 people, but remember there's 8 people at this party. All right, so far I've got 1 pound, another pound. All right, let's draw another 2/3. All right, I'm going to use a different color. Let's use a blue. There's another person. So one red is one person, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's just use black on this one. Uh-oh, I need another fraction bar. I'm just going to come down here, same size, same shape. All right, that's 2/3. So far I'm going to need 3 pounds. All right, so let's see how many people I've done so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'm getting close. All right, here's another person. 6. Oh, I got another pound. All right, I need another fraction bar though. Oh, cut it into 2/3. And then let's get a different color. Let's do brown. All right, let's count how many people we've done so we don't lose track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I need one more fraction bar because I have 8 people coming to this party, and each person gets 2/3. So I'm going to divide this into 2/3. I need one more color. Let's see. Let's make it orange. 1, 2. So I ended up with another pound plus 1/3. Okay, so let's count how many pounds of turkey we would need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1/3. So I should get 5 1/3 pounds. Now I'm going to write this as an addition sentence. 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. Now there's 8 people, so that's 4. 5 people, 6 people, 7 people, 8 people. Ooh, that's a lot of people. Denominator stays the same. And then you just count up your 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16/3. Let's count if we shaded in 16/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I shaded in 16/3. But we can look at our picture and tell that 16/3 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1/3. All right, so back to our question. How many pounds of turkey will be needed? 5 1/3 or 16/3 pounds of turkey will be needed? All right, so there's a lot of math involved in that problem. All right, let's look at the next problem. 2/10 plus 5 100ths. All right, so we know we have to add like denominators. So I need to make this a like denominator by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 10. So I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to do that. And I'm multiplying it by 10 because I know that 10 times 10 gives me 100. So this now gives me 20 over 100. And now I can replace 2/10 with 20 over 100 because they are equivalent fractions. And that gives me like denominators. So now I can add, denominator stays the same. Add your numerators, 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 over 100. All right, look at our next problem. It's an addition problem. We're going to stack them on top of each other. 25,694 plus 15,507. Add those together. 4 plus 7 is 11. Carry my 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Carry my 1. 6 plus 5 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Carry my 1. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. So 41,201. All right, decompose in two ways. So just think of two numbers that you can add together to get 9. 8/12 plus 1/12 equals 9/12. 5/12 plus 4/12 equals 9/12. And of course, there are more than one way, more than two ways. So feel free to come up with your own way of decomposing. That means breaking it down into smaller fractions and using addition to solve the problem. All right, I will see you tomorrow for day 4.